How are you? Oh, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Hey, we are checking out this Desert Fox. I've always wanted to check out a toy hauler. I know nothing about them, so I am extremely excited to check this RV out. If you're new to the channel, just tuning in because you're curious about toy haulers, my name is Taylor. I live in a 2017 Arctic Fox 990 truck camper full-time. I make YouTube videos. The company that I'm at right now is Northwood Manufacturing. They've given me the opportunity to come down and check out some of their products. So Northwood Manufacturing is the company who makes Desert Fox. Let's go check that out. Let's go check this out. Let's go check this toy hauler out.
How do you want to enter? From the door or the back door?
I want to enter through the back door because that's an option.
Toy hauler.
Toy hauler. I know, dude, I've known nothing about toy haulers.
Yeah, so this is so you can haul all your toys with you. So it's spring assisted. You got your little patio here.
Look at this.
And then if you didn't want to use the patio.
Sorry, now I'm in your way.
No, you're good.
Let's just take a second and just take a look at how neat that looks. Wow. Can I walk up this?
Yeah.
What is going on with this? Okay, first thoughts. First thoughts, this is amazing. Second thought is how nice is that just with the whole back open? Say you were hanging out. That's a massive window. And I really like the shape. Like, look at how high the roof is. You know, it's very open. Very open. And I love the placement of this TV. Okay, let's get into it. Let's go. I don't know where to start. Well, now I know where to start. What's going on here? What are you doing here?
So right now I am lowering. This is your your reverse lounge.
Okay.
So it looks like a bed platform.
Okay.
It actually is, but it folds into basically two dinettes that face each other. Typically we have a bed frame that will stop right here.
Okay.
We are currently missing the bed frames. These just came off production, so we have some parts missing on them. But here in a second, we'll get to the very bottom stage. You'll see where those tabs just stop right here.
Yeah.
That is where your top bunk would have been.
Oh, okay.
And then this will lower almost all the way to the ground. So you got your little dinette, and then there's the table underneath here, popping into place.
Wow. Okay, question. Have you had people buy these that don't haul toys just because of the open concept of it?
People like the open space.
Yeah.
I've had a lot of people that travel for work and they put a desk back here.
Oh, good idea. Yeah.
And it's also really good for handicapped people because of the whole ramp.
Right.
That brings you right inside.
That's a really good thought, actually. I wouldn't even think about that.
Yep. You can drive like electric wheelchair right up and in.
Yep. Sure you could.
Yep.
So the first thing people want to know is about the stats. So let's do the dry weight. How much does a camper weigh?
This one's gonna be about 6,700 to 68, depending how it's equipped.
Gotcha. Trailer, sorry, not camper. I'm just used to saying camper. And what's the overall length of this one?
Overall length, you're gonna be looking at about 25 feet hitch to bumper.
Okay. Fresh water.
Fresh water on this guy. So on the 21, it is 78. And our other toy haulers have 100-gallon freshwater tanks.
100-gallon freshwater tanks.
Or you can go out in the middle of the desert. It does
Forever.
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 It's got the outside shower. You might want to clean off your dog, your kids, your motorcycle, whatever. And then we also have a pressure washer on this.
What?
Yeah, there's a pressure washer attached to the side.
Huh. Interesting. And then gray water and black water, what are those guys?
Your gray is going to be 46, and your black is going to be 36.
Awesome. There you go. There's some stats. Now let's. I'll show you inside, and then we'll go outside and we'll do a little tour. I'm really impressed. Is there? What's behind here? Is this a window?
Just a window, yeah.
Oh.
That's a little snap.
Oh yeah. I gotta ask before we just start touring around. What's going on with this massive subwoofer? Is this a party? Is this a party trailer?
It's a toy hauler, man.
It is a toy hauler. That's true.
Go out in the middle of the desert, leave your door down, get your couch nice and ready.
Yeah.
It's got your amplifier, supplying power to your 12-inch sub, and it is a Kenwood sub, which is a really, really high quality.
Yes,
brand.
it is.
I believe it is even a Kenwood amp, so that will power that, and will power your Kenwood speakers throughout the coach.
Right.
So this one you can get loud.
Get loud.
Loud.
Get very loud.
And then you can't forget it has 2 external Kenwood speakers as well.
On the left, is this like a couch that folds, or almost like a dinette? You don't have to fold it down, but
No,
they can visualize.
So what it does, you can fold it up so that way you can get the toys in here.
Yep.
The wheel wells are right here.
Okay.
So with this little strap right here holds it in place. It will fold down into a bed like you see, or fold down into a little couch.
Nice. What's this for?
This guy,
a lounger?
so typically standard, this will come with 2 rocker recliners.
Oh.
Some
yeah.
dealerships don't like having them in this little 21 SW because there's not really enough space.
Yeah.
So that's an option. Or we just do this little table here, and these just come out, and then your carpet will also roll up. So that way, if you put a toy in here, you don't have to get your carpet all dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got your stove here, your 3-burner top there. Got your oven. As Colby showed me, you've got your fancy blue lights, which I love. So we just open up this door. Oh, you see the stairs coming up the door. Oh, those are the ones that come. Gotcha, like the airplane doors.
Like airplane doors.
Like the airplane, yeah. That's what I think of. And then you can see the adjustments right there. And then as we come around, you've got your Kenwood set up for your TV and your radio and all that. Once again, I love the TV placement. And then you come around here and you've got more switches than average RV. I won't get into it right now, but lots of switches. At the very top, you've got your solar charge controller. And what does this come with for solar?
This one comes with a 20 standard.
20, yeah.
Yep.
But you can get up to 170.
You can actually do 2 170s if there's enough room on some models, so up to 340.
Let's swing around to the 2-way fridge, propane and AC power, or 110. So when you're plugged in, you can run it, or when you're not plugged in, you can run your propane. And then through this door, I was told that it's going to be exciting. Ooh, look at this. This is a bit of a different bathroom. Oh, wait. There's your shower over here. You could almost have a bath. It's like a little bathtub. And you've got your skylight. As I do in all of the tours, let's stand up. Oh, I'm 6'2". You could be almost 8 feet and stand in this shower.
So here's one other neat thing with this. So you're always limited on space. Height is the biggest thing with side-by-sides these days. So with this option, you can pull a pin on each side. Then you raise it. Your bed will hit right here, start going up.
Yeah.
Then this, fold right up against the wall.
Oh, wow.
Yep, so you got a lot more space. You're basically allowing you to use the entire size of this garage area.
So that you don't have, so that it can be high.
So it can be high.
Right.
Yep. This is with this platform like this. So 68 inches of clearance.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Doesn't give you much, so that is why it's nice. You can pull these tabs
Right.
and flip it down.
Gotcha.
So then you have that, basically your next platform is going to be about right there.
Basically as wide as high as the door can fit, hey?
Dang near, yeah.
Yeah. Now I have a question. The one toy I love is a boat. Now can you put it in there? You just put little
a little
one
boat.
Of those. Yeah, a little one, a little
boat.
tin one. Yeah.
Yep. You just want to make sure you tie it down in place. Which we got tie downs all over.
And so you just fold that carpet up when you put the toy in.
Yep. You just roll it up.
Yep.
And it fits perfectly on top of your top mattress.
Oh, okay.
Yep. 30-gallon fuel tank.
I was gonna say, what? So there's a little slip tank in there, or whatever you guys call them.
So you got your pump.
Yeah.
And right up there on that little thing, you have your fuel gauge with your on-off switch. So that way someone just can't come take all your fuel. But it's nice, basically you can fill up dirt bikes, quad, side-by-sides, whatever you want. 30 gallons though.
Wow.
So this 30-gallon tank also fuels your gas generator.
Oh, nice.
So right here's your little switch. Got your on-off switch. Tell you how full your tank is. Basically whether or not it's on.
Your pump, yep.
Yep.
Cool. Portable water fill. Now what's this right here?
So this is an air compressor.
See, I don't have these on one of mine.
Yep, so it comes with this whole setup right here. Firestone air compressor.
Okay.
And there's a 3-gallon tank attached. So if you flip this on, leave it on for a while, it's gonna shut off once the tank is primed, and then you have basically 3 gallons of air ready to go.
Oh, wow.
And I've used this personally.
Yeah.
That 3-gallon tank can fill a flat 33-inch truck tire.
Is that right?
Yep. So flip it on, you can fill dirt bike tires, four-wheeler, side-by-sides, whatever you want, or like you said, your truck tires.
That's right, yeah.
Yep, so that's all there.
Man.
Then you got your 4000, your 4.0 Onan gas generator.
Ooh.
Yep. So that's going to be able to supply energy to your air conditioner, microwave, and all your 110 outlets.
At the same time?
Same time. Yep.
Oh,
You don't have to
nice.
run one and then the other.
Nice.
We put a big enough generator on all of our models to run AC, microwave, and your 110 outlets.
Nice. So I wasn't expecting any of that. I expected the generator, not that big, but the air compressor and the fuel tank. One other thing, now what model is this, Colby?
So this is your 21SW.
Okay, 21SW. We are gonna go see there, you guys have two other models that have.
We do. We have a 24AS, which is 28 feet overall length.
Okay.
And then a 27FS, which is 32 overall length.
Okay.
And both of those come with a pressure washer.
A pressure washer. So I'm just gonna show you guys, we'll go run over and see what one looks like. And I see the aluminum superstructure, somewhat made like your Arctic Fox travel trailer.
Basically exactly like it.
Okay.
Just the D-Fox has your rear toy hauler door.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. If you guys would like to see how these travel trailers are made, or if you just want to see how a truck camper is made or a fifth wheel is made, I have a video showing you how I did a whole factory tour showing you how they make these. So I'm going to link that as in the description box below. So this is their biggest toy hauler, the 27SF? FS.
Close.
That's close.
Yes, sir.
Cool. And this is where you plug the pressure washer in?
Pressure washer in goes right there, and then here is your SureFlow.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yep.
And then does it come with the handle?
It comes with the handle. Yeah, we can go inside and grab that.
Oh, no worries. It's all good. I just wanted to show people that that's what it comes with. Another option. Then this is your biggest one. Then you have one right in the middle then, hey?
Yep, so this one is 32 feet. The other one is 28, and the one we were in earlier was 25.
Beautiful. And then I just noticed this yellow thing sticking out. I asked what it was.
So this is your toy lock. So toy hauler, toy lock. It's got this lock on it. If I can get it off.
Mounted right to the frame.
Yeah,
okay?
so it's screwed directly to the frame. And the nice thing about the bolts is they're not bolts. They're a bolt with basically a little tapered aluminum piece. So once we tighten it on the backside here, that nut falls off. So someone can't come on here and undo the
good
nut.
Idea, yep.
So from there, your lock comes off.
Holy jeez.
You can wrap, say,
Yeah.
go back to it, lock it, and you're good.
You guys thought of everything.
Pretty slick.
Yeah, very slick.
Solar reflective windows.
Oh, I just noticed that when you were pointing at it. There's so much to cover. One other thing that I wanted to point out was that this is a true 4 season. So tanks are insulated underneath. You're not going to get your freezing tanks. And it is rated to go 0 Fahrenheit, which is minus 17 degrees Celsius. So if you want to get your snowmobile, you can do that with this. Well, my friends, that is the Desert Fox toy hauler. Really fun to check that out. If you enjoyed that tour, you're more than welcome to subscribe. Northwood does offer factory tours. If you'd like to get a factory tour, I'll just type in Northwood Manufacturing on Google. I'll also put their information in the description box below so that you can come here and see how these are made and see how all the other beautiful RVs, truck campers, fifth wheels are made. It's a really neat place to come check all of that out. Also, I just had the luxury of taking a Nash travel trailer out for a couple days of adventure. If you want to check those videos out, I'll put the links of them in the description. I made about 3 or 4 videos just camping and adventure and having a good time with some amazing drone shots. Check that out. Have an awesome rest of your day, guys. Till next time, keep living that dream, and bye-bye.